I want to talk about lubrication system and CCRT system for disassembly and assembly. Remove the two drain plugs of the oil pan and drain oil into the designated container. Set the filter wrench on the oil filter and turn it counterclockwise to remove. Disconnect the hose from the oil cooler and turn the connector counterclockwise to remove the connector and oil cooler. Remove the oil level gauge by pulling it up. Disconnect the DPF temperature sensor wiring connector of the CCRT assembly and unscrew the 4 mounting bolts of the CCRT assembly band bracket to remove the band bracket. Unscrew the 3 CCRT assembly mounting bolts to remove the gasket and CCRT assembly. Unscrew the 7 bracket mounting bolts and nuts of the CCRT assembly to remove the CCRT assembly bracket. Install the oil cooler and tighten the connector to the specified torque. Apply oil to the O-ring of the oil filter and add lubrication oil to the oil filter. Then, install the oil filter using a filter wrench. Tighten the 7 CCRT bracket mounting bolts and nuts to the specified torque. Install the turbocharger outlet side gasket and CCRT assembly. Then, install the CCRT assembly bracket and tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque. Connect the differential pressure sensor connector and DPF temperature sensor connector of the CCRT assembly to the wiring harness 2 connector. Install the wiring harness 1 and connect to the connector of the various sensors and switches. This concludes the explanation of the lubrication system and CCRT system for disassembly and assembly.